Your pilot Nick here. Today we're gonna fly from Danbury Airport and back to Danbury Airport. We're gonna do some go-arounds today. So let's start the engines and taxi to the runway. Avionics.
Fly heading 010 MD82 5 Bravo Mustang.
MD82 1 Delta Mike. Fly heading 190.
The bolts.
Fly heading 190 MD82 1 Delta Mike. Center dash 70 X-ray Zulu.
MD82 2 Alpha Alpha. Climb and maintain. Flight level 360.
Climb and maintain. Flight level 360 MD82 2 Alpha Alpha.
737 to 800. 6 November November. Fly heading 190.
I've just cut this out.
Fly heading 190 737 to 800. 6 November November.
Dash 70 X-ray Zulu. Contact center on 125.325.
Hey, I fixed it, everybody.
Contact center on 125.325 dash 70 X-ray Zulu.
3 Mike. Fly heading 230.
Fly heading 2303 Mike.
Dash 76 Yankee Quebec. Fly heading 350.
Fly heading 350 dash 76 Yankee Quebec.
Dash 73 Yankee Juliet. Contact center on 125.325.
Contact center on 125.325 dash 73 Yankee Juliet.
MD82 2 Papa Whiskey. Fly heading 200.
Full power.
Fly heading 200 MD82 2 Papa Whiskey.
Dash 79 Lima Juliet. Fly heading 300.
Fly heading 300 dash 79 Lima Juliet.
8 Romeo Victor. Contact center on 125.325.
Contact center on 125.325 8 Romeo Victor. Center dash 73 Yankee Juliet.
MD82 2 Papa Whiskey. Climb and maintain. Flight level 360.
Climb and maintain. Flight level 360 MD82 2 Papa Whiskey.
The directional GPO is not
MD82 2 Papa Whiskey. Fly heading 250.
Fly heading 250 MD82 2 Papa Whiskey.
3 Mike. Fly heading 330.
That voltage.
Fly heading 3303 Mike.
8 Echo Lima. Fly heading 010.
Slow land.
Fly heading 0108 Echo Lima. Center 1722 Sierra Papa.
MD82 9 Whiskey India. Fly heading 290.
Fly heading 290 MD82 9 Whiskey India.
737 to 800. 3 Juliet Oscar. Fly heading 120.
Fly heading 120 737 to 800 3 Juliet.
Danbury altimeter 3026.
Danbury altimeter 3026 1722 Sierra Papa.
2 Juliet Romeo. Contact center on 125.325.
Contact center on 125.325 to Juliet Romeo.
737 to 800. 5 November Sierra. Fly heading 240.
Fly heading 240 737 to 800 5 November Sierra.
737 to 800. 5 November Sierra. Fly heading 320.
Fly heading 320 737 to 800 5 November Sierra.
3 Mike. Fly heading 060.
Fly heading 0603, mile.
172, 2 Sierra, Papa, Danbury, altimeter
Kind of
3026.
Danbury, altimeter 3026, 172, 2 Sierra, Papa.
Dash 72, Bravo, Whiskey, fly heading 320.
Alright.
Fly heading 320, dash 72, Bravo, Whiskey.
MD82, Papa, Whiskey, resume on navigation.
Resume on navigation, MD82, 2 Papa, Whiskey.
MD82, 9, Whiskey, India, fly heading 250.
Fly heading 250, MD82, 9 Whiskey, India.
7, Quebec, fly heading 300.
Fly heading 3007, Quebec.
We're like kind of down.
MD82,
Look, cloudy
2
is getting
Alpha,
wet.
Alpha, fly heading 320.
Fly heading 320, MD82, 2 Alpha, Alpha.
MD82, 2 Alpha, Alpha, fly heading 350.
Fly heading 350, MD82, 2 Alpha, Alpha.
Are we making a part 2 of this video?
Fly heading
This week?
320.
Ready for that to come out? That'll be coming out
Fly
today.
heading 3207, Quebec, Quebec.
Video and follow me on Instagram.
MD82, 2 Tango, uniform, climb and maintain, flight level 3.